Yesterday I spent about 12 hours working on fit and finish on some of the parts in the back of the Arduino Handheld. So I've worked on some of the individual modules. That gives you an idea how I combine the modules. That's Kura slicing it up. Looks like a 9-hour print job. Let it print overnight, and I woke up to this. It looked encouraging, but I see some stragglers there, and it looks like a hairball underneath. I did some manual supports instead of letting Kura do the supports. Also, there was some detail there that kind of merged with the print bed that I didn't like, but on the inside it looked great, which I could stick with the program of testing out fit and finish, trying out one of my new PCBs. I actually screwed up on the speaker. It was off by a couple of millimeters, but everything else really seemed to drop in. I think I might tighten up the Bluetooth back to where it was, about a millimeter closer, and then that's the last PCB that I had made. So overall, pretty cool.